Hi, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Kogulam Public School, Guruvayur. Do you remember me? Yes, I am Revdi, your English teacher. So, today let's start a new poem. How do you feel now? Is it cold or hot? Yes, it is cold because of the rainy season. So in rainy season we like to eat hot foods and tea or coffee. Do you like summer days? No. Why? Because it is so hot. In summer days we like to have ice cream and chilled item and other cool drinks. So do you like ice cream? Yes. So our chapter name is Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man, written by Rachel Field.
Rachel Field was an American poet and a writer of children's stories. She has won several awards for her writing. As a child, she spent her summer vacation on a beautiful island. She began writing at an early age and wrote poems for a children's magazine.
So first I will play an audio. Listen the poem carefully.
Ice Cream Man by Rachel Field. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink, from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round, as thick as honeybees.
I hope you enjoy the poem. Do you understand anything? No. But I hope you all thought about an ice cream. Is it correct? Yes. So let's start our poem. It is a very simple poem. It's talk about how a child feels when he sees an ice cream man with his cart on hot summer days. And it also give a perfect description about children's love for ice cream and the joy brings it. And it also describes flavors and colors of ice cream and soft drinks. Ice cream cart and children compared with flower bread and bees. So let's start the poem. Ice Cream Man, written by Rachel Field. The first stanza. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So, in which season the ice cream man is most welcome? Yes, in summer days. The man is most popular in summer days. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat. Breaks a blaze of heat. Here it means the season is so hot. The summer days is so hot. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. What is mean by trundling? Moving on small broad wheels. The ice cream cart moves on small broad wheels. That means trundling. When does the ice cream man comes with his cart? Yes, in summer days. How does the ice cream man cart move? Yes, the ice cream man cart moves on trundling. What is mean by trundling? Moves on small broad wheels. And the second stanza, beneath his round umbrella, Oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the corns with mounds of cooling brown and white. Beneath means under his umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight. He can see a joyful sight. What is that? To see him fill the corns with mounds. Mounds mean heap, like means the mountain of cooling brown and white. The ice cream man, filled the corns with ice cream. Beneath his umbrella, we can see a joyful sight. What's mean joyful? Full of joy. What is the joyful sight? Yes, the ice cream man filled the corns with cold ice cream. So what are the different colors of ice cream? Yes, white and brown. And the third stanza, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. Here frosty fizz. What is mean by frosty fizz? That means cold bubbles in soft drinks. Frosty fizz means cold bubbles in soft drinks. So vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. What are the different flavors of ice cream? Yes, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry and chili things to drink. Here describe some soft drink. What are the different colors used in this poem? Yes, green, orange, white and pink. So what is the joyful sight? Yes, it is the joyful sight to see an ice cream man fill the corns with ice cream and soft drinks of different colors and flavors. And the last stanza, his cart might be flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybee. In this stanza, the poet compared the ice cream cart with flower bed and the children compared to bees. In what is mean by cluster round? That means gather around. So in this poem, the last stanza, the ice cream cart compared to flower bed and the children compared to bees.
Now let's discuss the rhyming words from the poem. So what is mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound at the end of the line. Now let's find out the rhyming words from the poem. First stanza. Which is the rhyming words? Yes, heat and street. Heat, street. Second stanza. Sight, white. Sight, white. Third stanza. Drink, pink. Drink, pink. And the last stanza. Peace, bees. Peace, bees. So rhyming words from the poem: heat, street, sight, white, drink, pink, peace, bees.
Now let's discuss new words and meaning from the poem. The first one, trembling. Trembling. What is spelling of trembling? T-R-U-N-D-L-I-N-G. Trembling means moving on small broad wheels. Moving on small broad wheels. And second one, frosty fizz. Frosty, what is spelling of frosty fizz? F-R-O-S-T-Y. Frosty fizz. F-I-Z-Z. What is mean by frosty fizz? Cold bubbles in a soft drink. Cold bubbles in a soft drink. Next one, cluster round. Cluster round. What is spelling? C-L-U-S-T-E-R. Cluster round. R-O-U-N-D. Cluster round means gather around. Gather around. In this chapter, one more new words is there. That is too long. You need not to study for the exam. That is, bricks a blaze of heat. Bricks a blaze of heat. That means it is so hot as if the bricks on the pavement are on fire. That means the season, the summer season is so hot. So it's a very long meaning. So you need not to study for the exam. So it's a very simple poem. It describes how a child feels when he sees an ice cream man with his cart on hot summer days. It also gives a perfect description of children loves of ice cream and the joy brings it. And it also describes the different flavors and colors of ice cream and soft drinks. And the last stanza, the ice cream cart compared to flower bed and the children compared to bees. So I hope you understood the poem. Recite the poem. Tomorrow we will discuss the question answer. Let's conclude today's section. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.